Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your photos with Samsung, full guide step by step clearly. To recover your photos with Samsung, start by checking the Google Photos app. Open the Google Photos app on your Samsung device. If you are logged in, navigate to the trash or bin folder. Here, you can find recently deleted photos. Select the photos you want to recover. Tap on the Restore option to bring them back to your main library. Next, check your Samsung Cloud for backups. Go to Settings on your Samsung device. Scroll down and select Accounts and Backup. Tap on Samsung Cloud. Sign in with your Samsung account if required. Look for Gallery or Photos in the backup options. If your photos are backed up, select Restore. Follow the prompts to recover your lost pictures. If you did not find your photos in either Google Photos or Samsung Cloud, try using a file recovery app. Go to the Google Play Store and search for a reliable file recovery app. Install the app and open it. Follow the instructions to scan your device for recoverable photos. Keep in mind that success rates may vary based on how long ago the photos were deleted. You can also check your Gallery app. Open the Gallery app and tap on Albums. Look for a folder labeled Recently Deleted. If you find your photos there, select them and tap Restore. Additionally, consider connecting your device to a computer and using recovery software. Make sure the software supports Samsung devices. Follow the software instructions to recover photos from your device. After completing these steps, check your photo library to see if your pictures have been successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.